For example 2, we're told that someone has 20 litres of mixed squash and needs to work out how much water they used. The ratio is 1 part squash to 3 parts water, and we need to work out how much water they used. So our first step is to add together the different parts. So we have 1 part squash to 3 parts water. So if we do 1 plus 3, this gives us 4. So we know that the 20 litres of mixed squash is made up of 4 parts. So to find out how much 1 part is of 20 litres, we need to divide 20 by 4. So if we do 20 divided by 4, this will give us 5. So now we know what 1 part is, 5. We need to multiply this by the numbers that we're given in the ratio. So to work out how much squash there is, we'll need to do 5 times 1, which will give us 5. And to work out how much water there is, we'll do 5 times 3, which gives us 15. So we know there are 15 litres of water in the mixed squash recipe. Now if you're unsure, you can add these together to get back to how many litres of mixed squash there were originally. And to do this, we would just do 15 plus 5 gives us 20.